Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Visually perfect modules can still be leaking power through micro cracks you never see until the revenue gap shows up. Micro cracks are slow burn issues that erode performance and warranty value over time. ClearSpot agents exist to find them before they become someone else's problem in a maintenance and asset process. Micro cracks are caused by mechanical stress, thermal cycling, and manufacturing defects. They disrupt cell conduction and show up in thermal and IV behavior long before you can see them. By combining high-resolution thermal, electroluminescence where available, and IV data, the agent flags patterns consistent with microcracking and highlights affected modules and strings. Doing this manually means specialists, lab time, and a lot of cost. The agent scales that logic across regular inspections so early detection becomes routine instead of exceptional, sort cracks by severity, plan replacements or warranty claims, and feed batch-level insights back into procurement to avoid repeat issues. The Microcrack Detection Guide and a sample crack distribution report are part of this episode's resources. Access them via the ClearSpot demo page by requesting the Microcrack resource for this episode. Like, share and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.